This is Jillian Morris for the Investing News Network, coming to you live from PDAC 2018. Here with me is Jared Scharf, President and Director of Desert Gold Ventures, trading on the Toronto Venture Exchange under DAU. Jared, thank you so much for joining me.
Thanks for having me.
In 30 seconds, can you give me a breakdown of your company and its value proposition to investors?
We're a West African gold exploration company. We hold a portfolio of highly prospective properties, in my opinion, situated along the Senegal-Mali Shear Zone. That's a very active area for both exploration and mining. High-grade deposits, big deposits, multi-million ounce, and very low-cost mining. So we hold some very prospective assets along that shear zone that we're developing. Drilling's actually ongoing as we speak. So we're very excited.
So what are you currently working on? I know you've touched on that, but can you go into a little bit more detail?
Yeah, well, we have 3 properties in the area. They're at various stages of development. We just finished a drill program at one of our properties along the shear zone that's close to some very large producing mines. So that particular property was a first pass drilling. We have a lot of indication of mineralization. Drilling went well. We were just really starting to understand that property. And further north, we have an asset that's a bit more advanced that we're drilling on as we speak. We have a small resource, but really what we're trying to do is step out from there and build a much bigger picture, because we're an elephant country, and so we're trying to find an elephant.
So what makes your company unique?
Well, I don't know if there's any one thing that makes our company unique. I think it's a variety of things. You know, we've got a very clean capital structure, and we have assets that are advanced, but that are still pre-discovery. So it's a very clean company, both from a corporate perspective, but also from an asset perspective. So I think it's a very unique time for investors to start looking at Desert Gold's story.
So what catalysts do you have on the horizon for Desert Gold?
Well, certainly drilling. Like I said, we got a program that's ongoing now at an asset called Faraventura, which is along the shear zone, and it's on strike with some other large mines in the area. So drill results will be a catalyst, but corporately we're also trying to expand our footprint along the shear zone and create a critical mass or length of strike along this area that we believe could give us the best possible opportunity to make a very significant discovery.
So are there any developments in the market that you'd like to discuss?
Well, I think as it pertains to our market in particular, there's a lot of activity going on along the Senegal-Mali Shear Zone. B2Gold's Fekola mine, they just announced the commissioning of that mine. Robex's mine, and Hummingbird's Kamana mine in the Yanfolila Gold Belt, also in western Mali. There's been a great deal of M&A activity in the area over the last couple of years, Endeavour acquiring Avian Gold, as well as Avnil Gold in the south. So it's an area where there's a lot of mining, there's a lot of exploration, and there's also a lot of M&A, and we're right in the heart of it. So we're just going to keep developing and going along with our strategy.
Well, that's great. Thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
This has been Jillian Morris from the Investing News Network, here today live at PDAC 2018.